Hi, I'm Brad Burr, parts manager here at Motorcars Toyota. And today we're going to discuss snow tires, the differences between snow tires and all-season tires, and the pros and cons of both. So a dedicated snow tire is going to give you the best performance on ice and snow. Now the reason for that is the design differences between a snow tire and an all-season tire. And if you take a look here, one of the main characteristics with any snow tire are the sipes, these many cuts in these tread blocks. These sipes, as they call them, allow the tire to flex. Each tread block can flex independently from one another and conform to the conditions of the road. This allows the tire to have a larger contact patch with the road. Along with those sipes, you'll also notice that the tire overall is more aggressive. It has these larger channels that disperse snow and slush off to the side, and they self-clean as the tire rotates. Additionally, to the sipes and the aggressive tread pattern, snow tires are considerably softer in material than all-season tires. The reason for this is because when the weather drops below 32 degrees, the tires still need to be pliable. Now, if you think about a hockey puck on an ice rink, the ice allows a hockey puck to slide freely, and you don't want that when you're driving. The snow tire is going to have the absolute best traction on snow and ice, and ability to stop on ice, as where the all-season tire is going to give you traction, but it may not give you the best stopping ability. So next we're going to take a look at the all-season tire. Now with the all-season tire, you're going to notice a lot of similarities. You're going to see some of the sipes in the tread blocks, and you're going to see some of the channels in the tread as well. But you'll also notice that the tread blocks are a lot closer together and less aggressive. The reason for this is because this is going to create a quieter and smoother ride for all seasons. Now, we talked about the channels in both tires. Now, the channels on an all-season tire are going to work exceptionally well in light snow and in water. They're going to channel water away from the center of the tire, but they're not going to push them out as far as the dedicated snow tire. One other thing to consider when we're talking about snow tires and all-season tires is the wear and the warranty that goes along with the tire. Now, because the snow tire has such a soft, pliable compound, it's going to wear out twice as fast as an all-season tire compared to a dedicated snow tire. Now, one more thing to take into consideration is the warranty. Your average all-season tire is going to come with anywhere between a 50,000 and a 65,000, some even 80,000 mile tread warranty, meaning that the tread is guaranteed for that mileage. A snow tire typically does not come with a mileage warranty. Because of the softer compound, it's going to wear out a lot faster if it's driven on dry pavement. So what tire is best for you? Well, it simply boils down to what type of vehicle you're driving and what kind of conditions you'll be driving in. Examply, if you're driving an all-wheel drive RAV4 or a 4Runner, you probably won't need a dedicated snow tire. But if you're driving one of the other vehicles, like an FRS or an Avalon, which has a lower profile tire, you're certainly going to benefit from a dedicated snow tire. One other thing to take in consideration with dedicated snow tires is that you'll need to store them each year. Now, some of our customers will buy separate rims and keep them mounted and balanced all year round, so that it's easy for them to transition from season to season. But if you want to retain the rims that are on your car currently, you're going to have to come in and have us switch them over each year. So those are some things to take into consideration when thinking about tires this winter. Now here at Motorcars, we offer a complimentary tire check in our service lane. So feel free to stop in, and one of our tire specialists can go over all the options and discuss which is going to be the best fit for you.